Hello, and welcome to this video presentation. My name is Paul Brett. I'm a Senior Software Support Analyst supporting the Transformation Extender product from IBM. The subject for this video is using the REST adapter to send email. Feel free to reach out to me on popular social media channels at Paul Brett IBM. For the purposes of my testing to make this video, I signed up to the Outmail 10 service from Prolateral. The address is on the screen. Using their REST API, I can send up to 10 emails per month with this free account. After login on the client area, I make my way to the control panel and then generate an API key. The API key is then used in the REST API requests made from Transformation Extender. I have opened my web browser and I've opened the page to the Prolateral main store. I've created an account and I'm now going to log in. Once in the account, if we select Services from the menu and choose My Services, you will see that I have got a service subscription to the Outmail 10 service, currently shown as being a free account. If I click on this, we can then log into the control panel. This opens this tab, and here is the control panel, and I'm going to click on the Product API keys, where you can see there is a blue button here for generating a new API key. I've already generated one for the Outmail service, and here is my key, which I will need to make a note of for use later in my map. For the next part of this demonstration, we're going to go to the Design Studio. As you can see, I have that open and I have one project called REST API Email. Within my project I have three files. I have an input.json, a source map test.mms and a type tree generic.mtt. Looking at the JSON file, you will note that I have a few fields written in JSON that are going to enable me to connect to the Outmail API. For example, the API key that I just generated. We have a to address, we have a from address, and we have a subject and a text body. Moving on to the map, you will see in the map that I have two cards, one input reading the input.json file and an output writing to output.txt. Looking at the rule, we are using a get from the REST adapter. We are turning on verbose tracing. The method is post. The URL has been captured from the Swagger page, which I shall quickly show you now. Here is the Swagger page for the service that we're calling. The main address is here. The sub address for the actual call is here. And here are the complete specifications for all the possible fields for that input.json file that I showed you earlier. Before we move out of the browser, we'll have a quick look at the inbox, which as you will see is currently empty. And then we'll go back to the Design Studio and build and run our map. The map has completed successfully. We will open up the trace file for the adapter. You will note that I have a 200 response from the server and a data string telling me the ID of the email that has been sent out. Moving on to my mailbox now, we should see the email has arrived, which it has. This is a test from an API. This is a test to see if I can get the API working, is in the body. All this has come from that input.json file. So we have managed to send an email using the REST API adapter. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my video presentation today. If you found the content interesting and informative, please like and maybe leave a comment. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel as I release content such as this on a regular basis. Feel free to reach out to me on popular social media channels at Paul Brett IBM. Thank you.